sobrang luwag ever since tumaas yung gas dito sa Pilipinas.
Under stars we ride tonight. City lights so bright, alright. Windows down, we feel the breeze. Heartbeats fast, we're free with ease. With ease. Radio plays our favorite song. We sing loud, sing along. No maps, just the open road. Together sharing stories told. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe.
Ano niyo yung daan? Sobrang luwag ever since tumaas yung gas dito sa Pilipinas. Actually, nung yung dati pa, sobrang tumaas na kasi siya, diba, ng 90. Tapos na yung 100 plus na, or $2 mahigit yung isang litro, or $2 pala yung isang litro. Ayun lang. Pero ang onti ng mga tao, guys, tingnan nyo yung daan, pero ang daming motor pa rin. Mura ba yung unleaded? Kasi diesel lang yung alam ko eh. Pero ang taas ng diesel, guys, yung V-Power, 100 plus na yun. Tapos, yung unleaded, mura pa rin pala kasi yung unleaded, 83 na. Pero at least maganda, at least konti lang yung tao dito sa daan, hindi masyadong madaming nagkokotse. Which is mas maganda naman kasi alam niyo yun, parang pwede naman ang tao mag-grab, 'di ba? Or pwede naman tayo mag-bus. I mean, pwede naman mag-bus kung kaya. Hindi naman kailangan may kotse. Wow, nagsalita kahit hindi ako marunong mag-bus. Pero ayoko na magsalita, baka ma-bash pa ako. Ayun guys, so clarify ko lang yung sinabi ko bago kayo magalit dyan. Ibig ko sabihin, if we had better transportations kasi, it will be better talaga if we do public transports like trains or buses. Kasi it's better for the environment. That's all I'm saying, wag nyo overthink. Pero, of course, I understand naman, kaya nga hindi rin ako masyadong lumalabas. And ayan, sobrang taas na ng gas. Oh my gosh, tingnan nyo.
Radio plays our favorite song. We sing loud, we sing along. No maps, just the open road. Together sharing stories told.
Close pa pala yung itong tayo ko. Ang ganda guys, yung tayo. Tapos, meron pa silang alfresco sa taas, sa 4th floor. Pero gusto na dito kasi sa totoo wala silang elevator. So, walkathon ka talaga. Pero ang maganda dito guys is climbathon ba? Ano ba yun? Basta. Pero may hanging bridge yun. Tingnan mo. May hanging bridge. Ayan.
Yay!
Although kala namin 10 o'clock sila mag-open. Kasi ang alam ko regular hour nila 10 o'clock eh. Pero dahil hindi nga daw peak na yon kasi konti na lang yung tao. Kami nga lang yung nakapark eh. Kasi ang taas nga ng gas. So, kami lang yung nandito na yun. Hihintay na lang namin ng 1 hour and 30 minutes. 10:30 pa kasi. 11 pa daw sila mag-open today. So, hintay na yun. Okay lang naman kasi presko naman ngayon. Wala masyadong tao.
Under stars we ride tonight. City lights so bright, alright. Windows down, we feel the breeze. Heartbeats fast, we're free with ease. With ease. Radio plays our favorite song. understand.
Ayun, so kakatapos lang guys ng winter and it's now time to do laundry on our puffer jackets. So ayan, nandito ako sa Quick Clean Antipolo. And ayan si ate, na-miss ko sila ate. Matagal na ako hindi nakakapunta dito. And I thought I'd want to vlog about this kasi as you can see, I'm putting in tennis balls sa dryer. And napansin ko kasi ang daming nagtatanong kung bakit may tennis balls dito habang dinadryer yung puffer jacket. And kahit ngayon si ate, na organic encounter ko na naman dito sa laundry. Nagtataka din siya bakit may tennis balls and also if it's safe to do this for puffer jackets. And honestly, guys, before I continue talking, you have to of course check yung wash instructions or yung care label ng jackets nyo. However, for these Lacoste jackets, kasi they're allowed to be put in laundry. And also, if you are doing laundry on your puffer jackets, it is the most crucial part of the cycle is of course the drying part. Kasi the drying part will make the puffer jackets go puffy again. I mean, what you do on the drying part is important so that your jackets can go puffy again. And that includes adding the tennis balls or normally kasi mag-a-add ka ng dryer balls. Pero since hindi naman yun uso kasi dito sa Pilipinas, you add tennis balls or kung wala kayong tennis balls, kahit yung mga rolled up socks nyo, pwede yun doon. So ayan, sinasabihan ko din si ate. Feeling ko ang perfect ko mag-laundry dyan kahit alam ko lang kasi yan kasi sila daddy madaming puffer jackets. Pero ayan, so tumagal ako dyan ng 4 hours. Sobrang tagal, 4 hours tuloy, 4 cycles. Sobrang tagal ko tong pin-off guys kasi important talaga na ma-dry nyo yung puffer jackets nyo. Kasi if you don't separate the lamps in between intervals, magtitigas yon or it's not gonna puff in the right places. And also, dapat talaga completely dry siya kasi pag na-stuck din yung wet part, delikado sa hindi naman pala delikado, sorry, hindi siya, babaho siya. Dami ko sinabi, ayun lang.
City lights so bright, alright. Windows down, we feel the breeze.
Shoutout pala kanila ate dito sa Quick Clean Antipolo. Sobrang na-miss ko sila kasi parang dati kasi nung wala pa akong washing machine sa apartment. Lagi ako dito and nandito pa sila hanggang ngayon. So, sobrang babait talaga nila ate dito sa Quick Clean Antipolo. Ayan, so ayan, sinaseparate ko na yung mga lamps. Kada intervals, you have to really do it. Para nga siya mag-fluff in the right place once you bring it back sa dryer. And always shake it. And yun lang yung tips ko. Wala lang, I'm sure this is general knowledge, pero kasi nagtataka din ako bakit ang daming nagtatanong na friends ko and even dun sa mismong laundry place. Nagtatanong din sila why I had to do it. And normally you do this also with your feather pillows with your feather pillows or your duvets, you also do this. Pero sa duvets kasi I think hindi masyado kasi mas malaki kasi yon. So hindi ako expert guys ha, basta I'm just sharing what we do. And sobrang fluffy nito in the end. Hello guys, Ito na naman sila kahit. Nandito kami sa Mandawi Farm. Bumili kami ng something, hindi ba? Hindi ka pangit. Ito, binili ko to. Pero ang binili nila kama. Mandawi Farm, guys. Ayun. Nasaan ba? Ayun. Ayun. Mandawi Farm, guys. Hi guys! So, today naman pupunta kami sa Ayala Malls by the Bay. As always, for this weekend. Kasi kikitain ko yung best friend ko. My best is my best. When I flop it, flop it, flop it, the key. And the guys are all up, everybody go up, please. When I flop it, flop it, flop it, the key. When I drop you, drop a cut. My back don't bop no more and I just go silent. When I flop it, flop it, the key silent. They won't let me out, let me out, let me out. They won't let me out, oh no, no. They won't let me out, let me out, let me out. They won't let me out, oh no, no. Ayan, so we're in Ayala Malls by the Bay again to meet my best friend. We're gonna watch Project Hail Mary. Sobrang ganda talaga na Project Hail Mary, guys. Oh my gosh. Panoorin nyo. It's so nice. Pero ayan, I'm with my bestie. Her name is Megan. Yung lagi kong binubugaw.
Ano yung sasabi ko? I forgot. Di, ayun nga yung nag-usap. Paiba-iba ng tako.
Oo nga. That's all.
Ano yung sasabihin ko? Yung kapatid.
Yung starfish na.
Ay, talaga? Ang cute.
Kasi yung starfish pala means yung beginnings for something. The bird.
Harry Bird.
Kasi di ba yung starfish bed, pag pinaputulan mo sila ng kamay, madaling nag-grow. Ayun guys, so manunod na kami ng Project Hail Mary nga. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day, guys. Babe, bakit dito tayo?